I just realized I made a shitload of videos, man, and I'll keep making them. The other side again. So there where you have, it's a place called Riverside Residence. So in the evening it's very nice to have a dinner there, and then you have the view of Wat Arun, which is very nice. There all the way in the back, all these big buildings, that's Thonburi, and that's where it used to be a train station, but they made a very, very big hospital complex over there. Yeah, normally when I have a longer video I will just cut it up in 2 pieces, but this one I will just make one video. Because I think it would be a shame to cut it up. This is a nice building. The Royal Seminary. So here you get to the Yot Phi Man River Walk. So I started this video from an MRT station. I think it's called Sanam Chai, and that's over here. And just behind here you have the flower market. Yeah, I think they made this like 5-6 years ago.
Yot Phi Manยอดพิมานสำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือยอดพิมาน For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit. โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier.
Yeah, so this pier you can also get to with the MRT then, which is quite nice and easy. Yeah, the new MRT line gives a lot more possibilities. Restaurant here. There's a lot of nice restaurants on the river.
Next pier, Memorial Bridge. For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit.
Here we're at the Memorial Bridge, and if you can see it really good.
Please mind the gap
But this
between
is
the
where
boat and the pier.
they have the walking bridge. See, this is a famous bridge where you can walk across the river, and they made a kind of park walk, let's say like that. Haven't been there yet. It's on my agenda to do one time. So that's the Riva Express, the hop on, hop off boat. I don't know if they say Riva or Riva. Are you on the river? See, now you can see that walking bridge very nice. Actually, if you're on holiday, you know, when everything is finished, I would recommend go to Khao San and take this boat. So I did it now, I started around 5:15, but I would say start at 5:30, 5:45. You get an amazing sunset. Because it's a little bit cloudy now, I don't get the super sunset, but imagine. And you will have all these buildings lit up. You can see the Mahanakon over there. You have the whole skyline of Bangkok in front of you on the river. So let me see if I can locate the Riverview guest house where I made a video the other day. It's on the other side. So when the time is there, I will cross over. Setting myself up to show you the Riverview guest house. So I made a bicycle tour one time through the whole old part before you get to Chinatown. So that's this whole area here. Passing the whole Chinatown area here. Funny. where I did a live stream once, and I think last week I uploaded a video from that place. Which means we have an amazing view on the other side, so let me switch. So here you have the banyan tree. I made a movie there on top, on the 43rd floor. I should link all this stuff. And then I'm going back again. And this is the restaurant where the Austrian guy, run by the Austrian guy.
Passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit.
Too many nice stuff here, so I have to switch all the time. And the old Fiat is just behind here. So this is the marine department. So here you have the banyan tree residences, and then there you have the Mandarin Oriental. And in front you have the Millennium Hilton and the Icon Siam. And the Magnolias Riverside. So I don't want to miss the River City. Yeah, this on itself is just an amazing tour if you think about it. It's just very cool. Come and do this. So this is the River City. At the River City you have the big cruise ships, the dinner cruises. And I think there's only one working now. And this is the Sheraton. They have a very nice swimming pool here at the Sheraton. Yeah, we're getting closer now to Saphan Taksin. Chao Praya Pier. Yeah, so we're at pier number 3. So 2 more. But let me give you a nice view of the Icon Siam. Many people already requested that I would go and film there, which I will definitely do. But maybe I'm waiting for the gold line to open so I can go there with a BTS. Icon Siam is one of the most luxury malls that you have in Bangkok now. The only negative, in my opinion, is that it's quite difficult to get there. So there you have the Magnolias Riverview, and I made a video for Sukhumvit Homes on the 58th floor over there, which is really amazing. And this is officially the highest building in Bangkok, but the reason is the point. You see the point on the top of the building? That's why it's the highest. And I think if you look at the actual rooms, then the Ritz-Carlton Mahanakhon tops this one. Okay, so then over there you have the river, and in the back you have the Four Seasons. And the Four Seasons has the highest swimming pool in Bangkok, which I showed in another video. I just realized I made a shitload of videos, man. And I'll keep making them. hope you guys won't get tired. And if you get, sorry. So I'm almost reaching my destination. And this is the Peninsula. It's a nice hotel. The Dutch Chamber of Commerce had a party there. So that's the reason why I went there one time. So most of these hotels, they all have a private ferry boat. So like for example, this one is from the Mandarin Oriental. And if you're staying in the Millennium Hilton, for example, they can come and pick you up with a boat. See the pink boat over there? That's one of these dinner cruises. Another recommendation. I mean, if you come to Bangkok, I would recommend to just try one of these dinner cruises one time. So you have a buffet, and yeah, basically the tour that I did now, you will do the same thing, but then you're on in a restaurant eating. It's nice. I'm not necessarily saying the buffet quality is really good, but that depends, of course, on the boat. There's another River Express. Okay, so I'm getting now to the Saphan Taksin Station. You see the BTS going over there. Yeah, so this is a pretty long video. All the way in the back there you see the Ferris wheel. Let's see if you can see it good. That's the Asiatique, where we did the Loy Krathong party. Yeah, so actually I could say the cheapest tour that you can get in Bangkok, 15 baht. We just went from Khao San to the heart of the city. Unbeatable. Unbeatable views, unbeatable price, unbeatable Bangkok. That is the rooftop of Chao Mansion. It's a penthouse. We actually rented it out, and there's people living in there now. Anyway, so I am going to probably finish my video here. I hope you enjoyed this trip. If you did, feel free to press the like button and feel free to subscribe. And see you guys in my next video.